It's 10 p.m. You're exhausted. Between work, the kids, and everything else, you finally have a second to sit down and scroll through your phone. Your eyes are heavy, but right now, something huge is happening inside your body. Your body is actually deciding what tomorrow morning is going to look like. Are you going to wake up feeling energized and light? Or are you going to feel bloated, puffy, and like you're holding on to stubborn weight? Most people think fat loss is just about how hard you crush it at the gym, or how little you eat during the day. But there's a secret window for fat burning that almost nobody talks about. It happens while you're asleep. Between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m., your body hits a major metabolic phase. I call it the metabolic night shift. Let's start with a habit most of us have, the late-night snack. Maybe it's just a bowl of fruit or an apple at 9 p.m. It seems healthy, right? But here's the catch. To burn fat at night, your body needs growth hormone. It's your natural anti-aging and fat-burning fuel. But when you eat sugar or carbs, even the healthy stuff, your body pumps out insulin. When insulin is up, growth hormone stays down. You're essentially telling your body to stay in storage mode while you sleep. The solution? The 3-hour cutoff. Try to finish your last meal 3 hours before you hit the pillow. And don't make it a tiny snack. Focus on protein and healthy fats. This keeps your blood sugar steady and tells your nervous system it's safe to burn stored energy overnight. Now that food is handled, let's look at your room. We all love a warm, cozy bed, but if your room is a sauna, your metabolism takes a hit. Try keeping your bedroom around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius. This actually triggers something called brown fat. Unlike regular fat, brown fat burns calories just to keep you warm. It's like a built-in heater that uses your fat as fuel. Also, skip the late-night scrolling and grab a glass of water or some warm green tea about an hour before bed. It helps flush out extra fluid so you don't wake up feeling like a marshmallow. Now let's talk about movement. If you look up fat-burning workouts, you'll see people doing burpees and high-intensity cardio. That's great for 2 p.m., but at 10 p.m., it's a disaster. Intense workouts spike cortisol, your stress hormone. High cortisol at night kills that growth hormone we talked about earlier. To burn fat while you sleep, we need to stay calm. We're going to use slow, controlled movements. No sweating, no jumping. Prop yourself up on your elbows, lift your knees, and slowly lower one heel at a time to the mattress. Exhale as you go down. This wakes up your lower abs and tells your brain to relax. Do this for 40 seconds. Now, lie flat and pull your knees to your chest. Imagine you're giving your digestive organs a light massage. It helps move dinner along so you don't feel heavy in the morning.
Let's keep that momentum going with a few more moves to prime your body. Get on your hands and knees, lift one heel toward the ceiling and squeeze your glutes. When your biggest muscles are active, your metabolism stays awake. Keep your core tight so you aren't arching your back. Lie on your back, legs straight up. Reach for your toes. Focus on using your abs to lift your shoulders, not momentum. This stretches your legs and tightens the upper core. By now, your body is relaxed, your digestion is supported, and your muscles are primed. You've set the perfect stage for a metabolic overnight shift. But what about that morning face puffiness? Gravity is usually our friend, but when you're lying flat for 8 hours, fluid settles in your face. Before you close your eyes, take a little moisturizer or facial oil. Use 2 fingers to glide from your chin out toward your ears, then down the sides of your neck. This is a quick lymphatic drainage move. It helps your body naturally drain that extra fluid so you wake up looking sharp, not swollen. So, that's the plan. Your insulin is stable, your room is cool, your muscles are gently activated, and your skin is prepped. You aren't just sleeping anymore, you're recovering and resetting.